Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event of the night, the Photo Sprint. Here's a batch of images to upscale and a batch of images to remove background from. And two tools in a single app. Image Upscaler, it is in the left lane, getting ready for the race. Background Remover, it's in the right lane. It seems calm and confident like a real pro. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Go Prod! Remover is taking the lead. It's done with the first photo. Upscaler is just a couple of pixels behind. Second photo for the Remover. Upscaler is also done and is getting very, very close. Remover smashes the third photo. Oh my God! They're going neck to neck. Fourth, and they're side by side. They're going to be over the line absolutely together. Oh my goodness, it's a photo finish. Photo finish. What an amazing race. What a great tool. 12 photos in less than 15 seconds. Just look at these results. Wow. It's GoProd, ladies and gentlemen, a 2-in-1 image upscaler and background remover. Absolute champion of the world. Remove backgrounds, cut out people and objects from photos, enlarge and enhance product images, illustrations, and document photos. All this you can do with GoProd, available exclusively for Mac.